You are welcome. So let's start by add a video track, then further go to text title to drag down a default title. So I decided to extend to 16 seconds because of the video duration. Now click, then go to advance. Further type your text, centralized, increase font size and choose a nice font style, then adjust as shown. I go to the animation section, and under, in animation, I scroll down to choose the warp animation. Go left to adjust the animation to 4 seconds. For the out animation, scroll down to select, up insert animation, then set the animation duration back to 12 seconds as displayed. Click apply to go back to the timeline, then preview. Go to stock media, and under solid colors, locate and drag the black color onto track 1, then extend it to match the length. Select both, then right-click to create a compound clip. Move upward, drag down a video below. After previewing, to make the text transparent, click on the clip, then go to the blending mode and change it to multiply, as demonstrated. Next, go to the mask options, choose the parallel line mask, then scroll down and enter 90 in the rotation field. Now, add a keyframe to the width and set it to 68. Then, scroll down to blur strength and apply a keyframe at 0, as demonstrated. Now, move the playhead to 5 seconds, then set keyframes only for the width and blur strength, as shown. Move the playhead to 9 seconds, then set the width to 34 and increase the blur strength to 100. Next, move the playhead to 12 seconds, go to the basic settings, and set a keyframe only for the blended mode, as demonstrated. Finally, move the playhead to the end, adjust the opacity to 0, as shown, and then preview the result. For the exact template, check the description. Thanks for watching, have a wonderful day.